Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to create community groups on WhatsApp. The process is straightforward and effortless. The only thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. After it opens, look at the bottom of your mobile screen. You will see 4 options: chats, updates, communities, and calls. From these options, tap on the option Communities. After tapping on it, you can see the option New Community at the top of your mobile screen. Simply tap on it. Here, you can create a new community. To do so, tap on this option to get started. The first step in creating a community is to write the name of your community group. For example, I wrote the name Anime. From here, you can upload a picture for the community. For example, I will choose an image from a mobile phone gallery by tapping on it. From these options, I select the gallery. Because my community name is Anime, I chose a picture of anime. Below, you can write the description for your community. For example, I will write the description after writing it. Tap on this arrow icon. As you can see, our community group was created on WhatsApp, so it was the fundamental way you can build a community on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.